Are you experiencing financial hardship, cash flow, unemployment, or delays in marriage? We have an incredible story that will inspire and transform your life. Our free ebook, A True Testimony of 5 Dead Motorbikes Resurrected with Firstfruits Offering, reveals the miraculous power of Firstfruits offering. In this free ebook, you'll learn that you don't need money to break the yoke of poverty with a Firstfruits offering. Discover how your offering doesn't have to cost you anything before God begins blessing your business or opening doors for you. In the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus tells the parable of a merchant who found a valuable pearl and sold everything he had to buy it. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he found one of great value, he went away and sold everything he had and bought it. Matthew 13:45-46, NIV. This parable illustrates the concept of the firstfruits offering. Just as the merchant sacrificed all he had to obtain the precious pearl, giving our firstfruits from all our businesses, or salary or income represents offering our best to God, recognizing the immense value of his blessings. By prioritizing God and his kingdom, we open ourselves to receive abundant spiritual and material blessings, much like the merchant who gained something of incomparable worth. This is because firstfruits offering is the only sacrifice that brings a sweet-smelling aroma or odor, or a fragrant offering or sacrifice acceptable and well-pleasing to God, such as described by Apostle Paul in the book of Philippians chapter 4, verse 18. In this ebook, you will read a real-life story of how a dying motorbike delivery business service in Botswana that was almost folding up was saved and revived back to life with a firstfruits vow. Initially, the owner had 13 motorbikes for running the business. Out of this, 5 were down and unserviceable, as par have to come from China and no other place in Africa or the world. The remaining 8 bikes were also struggling to bring in the needed cash flow into the business. This was his situation before he contacted me via email. It was in the middle of November, and the business owner wanted all his motorbikes to be back on the road before the peak of the Christmas season starts. It was like a tall order. I pointed to him that he must make a vow to give the profits from the best motorcycle as firstfruits to God. It was a tall order for a person whose business was folding up, and the person is being asked to give profits from the best of his business back to God. Finally, with little faith, he agreed. What happened next? We fasted and prayed together online over a bottle of water on the 22nd of November 2011. I directed him on how to apply the water over his broken-down motorbikes. He followed my instructions by faith to the details on what to do. 3 days later, he got a jaw-breaking miracle that even surprised me, as he testified from an email he wrote back to me on the 25th of November 2011. All the 5 motorbikes that were broken down got back to life after he followed what I asked him to do. So what happened? Get the full details from our ebook. But in a nutshell, the Holy Spirit ministered to him to do reverse engineering on the broken parts, which they recoupled by performing reverse engineering on it. And the idea worked on the first motorbike, and the rest worked too. But download this ebook for free and learn how to be properly applying firstfruits offering to your failing business or anything. The ebook is free, and there is no risk on your part, but blessings. Comment with "Send me the free ebook" and experience the power of firstfruits in your life. Do you know someone else who might be interested in this life-changing ebook? Please forward this video to them. Blessings. You will be helping a soul to put more trust in firstfruits offering.